This is an RC drift game called Sticks, where everyone knows it by the last driver standing. Rules of the game. The game don't start till the last car makes a full lap. It is follow the leader. Hitting the wall, spin out, or crashes will cause you to be eliminated. If crash are caused by others, drivers not at fault will remain in the game. Not drifting or straightening your car to get by, other than from transitioning, will cause your car dead or out. Cars that are eliminated will remain on the track where they crash as part of the obstacle. The lap resets as drivers get eliminated and repeats to the last driver standing.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Girls that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of rubber's plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'll never take to rate her, and I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. When you're undressed, I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah. They say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, they say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's got in my mind like a bad obsession. She got bad intentions. Got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. Body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. She's got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I
Be ready.